मैंने एज एन इंजीनियर 38 इयर्स स्टील सेक्टर के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शॉप फ्लोर पर बिताए हैं। कोल्ड रोल्ड फ्लैट प्रोडक्ट मेरा कार्य क्षेत्र रहा है। अब रिटायरमेंट के बाद द मशीन्स नो लॉन्गर hum, द siren does not teach the morning silence anymore. But when I close my eyes, I can still hear the rhythm of the cold rolling mill beating gently in my heart. It was not just noise, it was the pulse of my professional life. Each vibration, each spinning roll, every tensionized strip shaped more than the steel, it shaped me. There was missed lunches, endless night shifts, tough deadlines, greasy hands, tired eyes, and yet that single sound from the mill would spark me back to the life. As if whispering, "Get up, you have still got steel to shape and target too." Some called it chaos, I called it commitment in the rhythm. They saw coil moving, I saw my own evolution. Crafted not just by machines, but by every morning I showed up and every night I'd stay back. Now I am retired, but those sounds, that rhythm, they still play softly in the background of my soul, like the background score that never fades. Because in that factory, we did not just roll steel, we forged discipline, resilience, and a lifelong pride. Thank you very much.